In this YouTube video, I'm going to be exploring Dubai International Metro Station.
Your attention, please. The train to Expo 2020 will arrive at platform 2.
After this, I'm going to Dubai International Stadium, everyone. Stay tuned for that video. It's not out yet.
Your attention,
It's going to be out, everyone.
the train to Center Point will arrive at platform 1.
I'm also going to be showing you the One Tower Dubai Internet City after this. Yeah, the metro gate over there. First, I'm going to show you the Burj Heights exit.
Your attention, please. The train to Expo 2020 will depart from platform 2.
Center Point. سوف يغادر من رصيف رقم 1.
Your attention, please. The train to Center Point will depart from platform 1.
Wow. If you want a cheap place to travel around Dubai, then Dubai Metro. It's good. Okay. First, I'm going to be showing you the One Tower. Wait. Burj Heights exit is the One Tower, right? Well, first, the One Tower. I'm going to be showing you that. Oh, I can see the One Tower, Dubai Internet City. The One Tower. Tower. Wait, it's closed, right? It's closed. Yeah, well, it's closed. Well, first I'm going to show you the Burj Heights exit. Well, everyone, it's closed, so that's a reminder. If you want to go to Dubai Internet City to the One Tower, it's going to be closed for now, but I didn't know it was going to be open. Oh, yeah. Now the Burj Heights exit. Oh, there's actually 2 exits for the Burj Heights. Yeah. This is the Burj Heights exit. Also, the exit where is Enoch Dubai Internet City. Burj Heights. Yeah, Burj Heights is near Dubai Internet City Metro Station. It should be near Mashruk and Mall of Emirates. Well, it's to Dubai Internet City. This is Burj Heights, not the actual Al Burj, because that for normal Burj you have to go to Mashruk or Mall of the Emirates. I could see it's an almost huge, and maybe an Al Burj, I'm not sure. Or this 2. I'm gonna show you this one and then that one. Oh, this one came first, so I'm just gonna show you this one. Wait. Oh yeah, this one. Oh wait. Red line metro tracks.
Mommy? Joseph? Okay, that's you. What? Nothing.
Burj Heights. Burj Heights exit. Burj Heights. La map. Burj Heights. Wow. Hot and yeah. I can't pass over. Wait, actually I can show you over there also. Burj Heights. Okay. Here's Burj Heights. Dubai Production City. Guys, tell me where's Dubai Production City. Because I want to know. Alright, that's how it looks like there. There. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this YouTube video. I showed you what's in these sides of Dubai Internet City Metro Station. See my next YouTube video. Dubai Internet City Stadium Metro Station via Union and bye.